Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Zoom Workplace. So as we all know, Zoom is a platform or an app that allows you to schedule and plan for your meeting. So what you need to know as a new Zoom user is just the basics. So I'm here to show you how to use Zoom Workplace in a few minutes. So let's dive in. First you need to sign up to your Zoom account and or sign in. It depends on if you already have an account or not. And then what you gotta do to join a meeting, you will just click on a link that you will get from the host, just like that one, and you will click on it, or you will copy paste it on join section. This icon, you will enter your meeting ID or personal link name, then you will adjust your name as you want, as you'd love to, then click on join and paste the link. If you want to get through the meeting directly, you will just click on the websites and we will do that step that I already showed you, and you will be on the meeting. For you, if you want to schedule a meeting, you will click on into schedule, and then you will fill all the informations here and click on save, and you will be the host of the meeting. Just copy that link and send it per email or the social media, or by using the social media, to the attendees that you want them to be on your meeting. For the section or for the settings parts, you will click on that gear, and then you can adjust too much things on your Zoom just by clicking on the settings and going through these options and changing them. Anyways, guys, that's the video. I guess that's all the basics, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you next video.